Hey at Woodlanders, welcome to another woodlog. Today we've got quite a mixed day, so we've been doing some charcoal boxing up. Karen's been loading with some Hazel ready for another burn. Managed to get another burn on this morning. We're gassing. And we are at 572, so I'll start to shut the air vents down in a minute because that's getting just a little bit too hot. I have got to make 5 of these panels, so I've got those 4 over there. We've got 1 under our belt almost. I've been faffing about doing other things, so I've not quite had a chance to finish that one yet. And then Karen's just popped down the bottom end. She's doing some rod dressing. That's those rods there, getting those all dressed of their side branches so that I can rive them. Half term this week and Ellie Ray's gone down to Wales, so it's all very quiet at home at the moment, and ordinarily she'd be up here with us today, but we're just on our own. Just thought I'd have 5 minutes and sort out these hazels I lifted from someone's garden. All I'm doing is popping them on some compost. It's a bit like healing them in. And pop on a bit of compost, then once I've filled this, I'll just kind of sprinkle compost in the top and give it a good soaking. It's only for probably another 6 weeks or so. No sign of any convolvulus, which is good. Can't remember what I said about these, but these are destined for transplant once I've done some ash felling. That's good. So all I did yesterday was put some fresh timber in, drop the barrel in, kept it open for about half an hour to get the fire really going hot. We shut it down, so shut the lid down, kept the vent open, and the charcoal's converted, and I haven't had to do a thing, which that is absolutely epic, because all we do is load the barrel, and all I do is unload the barrel, and I haven't had to spend any time making charcoal. So I don't know if you're one of the guys that are subscribed because of the charcoal making and what we're doing. This is a dragon retort design. I made this myself before Bo went to market with it. In between all of that nonsense, what I'm trying to say is I find it works fantastic. Honestly, fantastic machine. So if you're into making charcoal, the Dartmoor Dragon, I can't speak about it highly enough. I know others have had issues, but honestly, fantastic bit of kit. No paper, no firelighters, just a bit of charcoal and an ember. Love that, love fire, it's awesome. them done. So I've got a guy coming this afternoon to pick these up, and the other panels I've just dropped off, they're ready for another customer over at Hartshorn, and I don't honestly know when I'm going to get to weave those. Call it a day at that, shall we? Ellie Ray's off school, and so Friday we thought about having a day out together, and we're thinking of going to Kedleston Hall, which is a National Trust house in Derbyshire. Never been before. We got some free tickets for the National Trust, so we just thought that'd be a nice opportunity to go there. Karen would probably rather stick a fork in her eye than go and visit some historic building, but she'll politely tag along, which is great. Ellie Ray and I love historic buildings, and of course there's a lot of open areas and grounds, and there'll be trees and all the leaves will be changing colour, so hopefully I'll do a little bit of b-roll of that. But actually I think this week that's about all I've got time for, folks. So we will see you on the next woodlog, if you're able to. Try and get out into some of these autumn leaves and enjoy your local woodland together. See you on the next one, guys.